Hey code chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Madhu Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers.
In this video, we will see what is a while loop in Python. How can we write a while loop on a coding platform of Python? Okay, while loop in Python is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a particular condition is met. This is the proper definition or proper usage of while loop. We will see practically how it works. Okay. For that, I am declaring a variable, let's say count. Okay. Let's say count is equal to 0. I am initializing it to 0. Okay. And to start a while loop, we have to use a keyword while followed by the condition where we wish this while loop should terminate. Terminate in the sense where this while loop should end. I want this while loop to end when my count is less than 5. Okay, this is the condition. Then we have to increment this count. As per this scenario, we have to increment this count. Okay, count is equal to count plus 1. Now what will I do? Before this incrementing, I'll just print the count. Please don't worry what is going on if at all you didn't get. I'll explain it clearly in next few minutes. Okay, I'll print the count. So what is happening here? See, I have declared a variable count and initialized it to 0, and I have started a while loop, and I have given a condition till my count is less than 5. I'm asking Python to please print what is there in the count. And then I am incrementing the count. Count is equal to count plus 1. So what will happen here? Okay, first of all, we have declared a variable count and we have assigned it value 0 to the variable count. Okay, now we are applying a while loop while count is less than 5. Okay, we know that iteration will be happening in the loop. Okay, iteration will be happening in the loop. For the very first iteration, the count value which we have declared is 0. For the very first time, the count value will be 0. Okay, when the count value is 0, 0 is less than 5, right? 0 is less than 5, then it will go inside the loop and it will print the count value. Okay, and the next line is the very most important line. This is the place where increment is happening. As we all know, the count variable is carrying a value 0 here. 0 plus 1 is what is equal to 1, and this will be assigned to the variable count again. Okay, now the value of the count is 1. Okay, for the second iteration, the value of count is 1, and again the code will shift back to this previous line, that is while count is less than 5. Yes, for the second time the count is less than 5, right? Count is less than 5, and it will shift inside the loop again, and again it will print the value count. Now the count value is print statement will give the output as 1. Here the print statement will give the output as 0, and then it will come to the next line, that is increment line. Okay, this is happening for the first time. For the second time, here the count value is 1. 1 plus again 1 here is 2, and this 2 will be again assigned to this count variable. Okay, now the count value is 2. Again the code shifts back to the previous line, that is while. Now the iteration is third iteration. Okay, a third iteration, the count value is 2. Count is equal to 2, and again it will validate here, this condition. Okay, is count less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5, and it will start printing the value count. Okay, it will start printing the value count. The print statement will give the output as 2 here. Okay, and next the increment again will be happening here. This is the third time my count value was 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and this 3 will be again assigned to variable count. Okay, now the fourth iteration means the code will go back again to the while line, the line where the while loop starts. Okay, here at fourth time my count variable is carrying a value 3. Count variable is carrying a value 3. Is my count less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. Count is carrying the value 3. The print will give the output as 3 here. And again the increment will be happening. That is, count is carrying the value 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 4. Okay. Again the code will go back to the line where the while loop starts. That is here. And again 4 is less than 5. Yes. And it will print the count for the fifth iteration, and then it will again increment the value. Now the important thing will happen here. Here the count is carrying a value 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 will be assigned to the variable count again. Now the code will shift back to the previous line where the while loop is starting over here. Okay, now the count is carrying a variable, like the count is carrying a value 5. Is 5 less than 5? The condition is not satisfying. Here the condition doesn't satisfy, so the code will terminate the loop. Terminate means it will end the loop, and it will come out of the loop, and it will start executing the other lines which are present outside the loop. Okay, this is the process that is being undergone behind the while loop. Okay, now what is the output that we are expecting? For the very first iteration, 0 will be printed. Second iteration, 1 will be printed. Third iteration, 2 will be printed. Fourth iteration, 3 will be printed. Fifth iteration, 4 will be printed. That's it. It's a sixth iteration. The count variable is carrying a value 5. The loop ends and it will come out of the loop, and there are no lines outside the loop, right? So the program will stop execution. Okay, this is the process that is being carried out behind the while loop. Okay, now on the coding platform we will execute the same code that we have shown, and we'll see the result. As per the expectations, our output should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So we will execute and see. Okay, see, the output of the code is meeting our expectations. The output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is how a while loop works in Python, and this is how we write a while loop in Python. Okay, I hope you understood the basic concept behind the while loop. We'll meet in our next video. Next video, I'll tell you an interesting thing where the concept of indefinite loop comes in while loop. Okay, for that, please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much.
One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners, and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the third course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.